In this video, I am showing you how to add home button to Google Chrome. So, adding home button in Google Chrome, this feature lets you quickly access your favorite or frequently visited website with just one click. So let's start it. So first of all, click on this and open your Google Chrome browser in the computer and click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the Chrome menu. So choose setting from the drop down menu, and this is in the setting window. Click on the appearance tab on the left side. So click on it. Look for the option show home button. So these are default option. Disable. So show home button and turn it on by toggling the switch. So click on it and you can see here are empathy. This is and this is the default option. So click on it, enter custom web address and click on the your favorite web address URL. So I write here. So this is custom URL and click on enter. So press enter and you can see so home button in the bar. So www.youtube.com are listed. And that's it. You have successfully added the home button to Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe us, and my channel is Build a Skill. So go on it and subscribe us.